We, the History Department of Sathaiya College, started our Modi courses in January 2016. But in the academic year 2019-20, we thoroughly revised our Modi courses on my ideas, and my faculty, our History Department faculty, Mr. Prasanna Shikhre, Ms. Nikita Chauhan, and Ms. Samiksha Virkar implemented those ideas in their classes, and they gave me feedback from time to time, which went in the long run in updating our syllabus. In our courses, we not only teach the Modi script, but also transliteration of historical as well as legal documents. We not only teach their transliteration, but also their translation and précis writing in English. Along with that, we give them a good deal of cultural background, the history of Marathas. These days, Modi is getting a lot of demand. Learning of Modi has become important because there are documents in every village of Maharashtra and even outside Maharashtra which needs transliterators. Even the property deals of many people are in Modi. Modi is also required in courts and in the offices of the Tehsildar. Now, our courses, this year we are having two types of courses. Just now, the courses that we have launched are of two types. One course is for complete beginners who have not learned anything in Modi. In this course, we teach Modi alphabet, basic reading and writing, basic Modi composition, to write letters and stories and essays in Modi, and to transliterate from Modi to Devanagari, Devanagari to Modi, and to translate Modi Marathi documents in English and vice versa, and to write the précis of Modi documents in English. We have got another set of course which is Modi for non-beginners. This course is for those who have basic knowledge of Modi alphabets but who need practice in the reading and understanding of legal documents and Modi historical letters. In this course, we not only teach reading and writing in Modi, we also give dictation in both the courses, and also legal, and also practice in reading of documents. But also we teach them various Hindu, Muslim calendars as well as the Gregorian calendar and their convergence, that is conversion of dates from one calendar to another calendar. We also teach the Regi system, that is the weights and measurements during Maratha period.